In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound. When you finished, click on the switcher next to Vibrate Phone Calls to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Advanced, scroll down again and click on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and Start Vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for charging sounds, touches, keyboard and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!